Understanding software testing.
Software testing is a key part of software development. It helps ensure applications work as intended and are free of critical bugs. There are two main approaches: manual testing and automated testing. Choosing the right method depends on the project's goals, budget, and timeline. Both play important roles in delivering reliable, high-quality software.
What is manual testing?
Manual testing is when testers interact with a software application directly, following step-by-step instructions to verify its behavior. They look for errors, unexpected results, and usability issues. Manual testing simulates real user actions, making it great for finding issues that automation might miss. It is especially helpful in exploratory, usability, or short-term projects.
What is automated testing?
Automated testing uses tools or scripts to execute test cases without human intervention. These tools can quickly check many scenarios, repeat tests, and identify problems caused by code changes. Automated testing excels at repetitive, time-consuming tasks such as regression testing and helps maintain quality in fast-paced or large projects.
When to use manual versus automated testing?
Manual testing is ideal for cases where human judgment is important, such as user interface reviews and exploratory testing. Automated testing is best for tasks that need frequent repetition, like smoke tests and checking large code bases. Often, teams use a mix of both, choosing the right approach based on the project's specific needs.
Key benefits and challenges?
Manual testing is flexible and doesn't require special skills or tools, but it can be time-consuming and prone to human error. Automated testing is fast and reliable for repetitive tasks, but requires upfront investment in tools and script maintenance. Understanding these trade-offs helps teams design effective and efficient testing strategies.